Let's finally get our hands dirty and launch Premiere Pro. Depending on the version of Premiere Pro that you're using, your startup screen might look slightly different. For me, it just shows me a list of my recently opened projects, so I can kind of jump straight back into it. But for now, let's just click this away. And before you can do anything in Premiere Pro, you first need to create a new project. For that, let's come up into the main menu, select File, New, and let's select to create a new project. First, let's give our project a name, and this is also going to be the name of the file that is going to be saved on your hard drive. Let's just call this My First Project, and then let's define a location on our hard drive where we want this file to be saved. I'm just going to navigate to a folder here for this Premiere Pro training course where I want to save this file. Select this folder, and then we need to define the project settings. Now, you won't find anything about resolution or frame rates here. That happens when we create sequences, which are the containers for actual video files. Here, all we have to select is the renderer we want to use for Premiere Pro. Right now, this is set to the Mercury Playback Engine, which does use GPU acceleration. In brackets here it says CUDA because I have an NVIDIA graphics card. If you have an ATI graphics card, this might say OpenCL, which is kind of the open source version of CUDA. So I recommend do select an option that has GPU acceleration if you have a dedicated graphics card. Otherwise, you can fall back to software only, but this will render just on your CPU, so it will be slower. So do select either CUDA or OpenCL, and then let's simply hit OK. After just a second, Premiere Pro will open up our new project, and this is the default interface for Premiere Pro that we will probably be spending a whole lot of time staring at. But with our project now created, let's have a more in-depth look at the Premiere Pro interface in the next lesson.